Okay, 2015 paper. This is the question 13, last one in the paper. One test for glucose involves Fehling solution. Circle the part of the glucose molecule that reacts with the Fehling solution. So you should recognise this as one of your tests in your primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, aldehydes, ketones thing. Okay, so what we're looking for is for Fehlings, we're looking for the carbonyl group, so the aldehyde point, so C double bond O. In solution, sugar molecules exist in an equilibrium in straight chain and ring forms. To change from the straight chain to the ring, the oxygen of the hydroxyl and carbon 5 joins to the carbonyl carbon. This is shown below for glucose. Okay. Draw the structure of a ring form for fructose. So what we're looking for is just to do exactly what it's done for glucose, but for fructose. So instead of the carbon jumping to number 1, this one is going to connect on to number, we're going 5, yep, 5. Okay, so it connects to number 2, and our oxygen to hydrogen here. Okay, and then you draw it out, and you could just do it two ways. You could either just follow through from the ring, sorry, the chain to ring on that structure, or you could look at the glucose one and say, right, okay, how is that different from the fructose? Because what you need to do there is to stick a carbon branch basically off to the side. So whichever way you want to do it, we should have CH2OH to a carbon. We've got an OH, OH for that one, because this is carbon 2 that it's connecting the oxygen onto. And then we've got another carbon with an OH, and then another carbon with an OH, another carbon off to the oxygen, and this one also has a CH2OH to the side. Okay, you don't need to put the numbers on if you wish to. Okay, that's carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, but to be honest, you don't have to put them on, so I wouldn't, in case you get them wrong, because if you get them wrong then you can lose a mark because you've not done it correctly. And I obviously would expect it to be a little bit neater than that. And that's the end of the paper.